Good evening. My name is Madhuvanti. I am doing a training under CMTA and work for Unico Construction as a GET. So we're here for a 10-day training at CMTI. And day one was by Natarajan sir, and day two was by Sachin Amarnath sir. And day two, the first session we did was about project management, and the second session was about direct and indirect cost. So under project management, we learned about the project management triangle, which is very new for me, which involves quality, scope, time, and cost. So we learned that 70% of the project fails because of cost overrun and the time overrun, and also because of the productivity. So we learned that because of these, and we have to manage how to reduce the project fails. And by when I say fails, it doesn't mean that it's totally gone. It means that the time taken to complete the project has been taken more time or the cost. So after that, we learned about contractors, stakeholders, and what are the companies that comes under all these things. And then we had the direct and indirect cost. Sir explained not just about the theory, which is about direct and indirect cost, and he also explained it in a graphical manner, which was more easier for us to understand. So, and then we were made to do an estimation, like budgeting and estimation about the room we were sitting in. And when I was doing my college, when I was learning estimation, I thought, well, I'll excel in estimation. But here, sir said, I'll not teach. I'll just give you, this is the thing. You have to do everything on your own, and let me see where you get stuck. So that was an brilliant approach by him, that we were all able to understand where we get stuck, where we need improve ourselves on. So, and then I understood that I was lacking in few places and I need to improve those things about estimation. And since Unicore mainly focuses on estimation, budgeting, and stuff, I have to work on that, and I understood all those things, and I'll implement them in my work. And then he explained about the three secrets in the construction industry, which mainly focuses on the decision you take. It is not about the right or the wrong decision. It's just about favorable and unfavorable decisions you take. And then change is always constant. You should be able to change. Like adaptability is very important. And then finally, it is engineering is not at fault. Like people are the main reasons that a project mainly fails. So I understood all these things from today's session, and it was very helpful.
So any particular topic where you were not aware of it before attending the session?
The project management triangle session, I was not aware of the triangle, and sir taught us in depth about that and why exactly the project fails in certain cases.